This video in very simple terms explains how to use a yellow box junction.
You may enter a yellow box junction when your exit is clear and there is enough space on the other side of the junction for your vehicle to clear the box without stopping. You can only stop in a yellow box junction when turning right and are prevented from doing so by oncoming traffic or by other vehicles waiting to turn right. If your exit isn't clear and you're not turning right, no part of your vehicle should be in the box. Then, as soon as you're sure it's safe, you can proceed. Remember, blocking the yellow box junction means everyone else gets stuck with you.
Yellow boxes are designed to keep traffic flowing at very busy intersections. Currently, we have 8 yellow box junctions situated throughout the island of New Providence, and they are at the following locations: at Sandy Point Drive, at Nassau Street, at Frederick Street, at East Street and Robinson, at Robinson and Soldier, at Soldier, Village, Wolf, Burnett Road, at Fox Hill Road and Prince Charles, at Blue Hill Road and Soldier Road, and finally at Blue Hill Road and Carmichael Road. Just thought you'd like to know. Be aware and drive safely. Thank you.